Hey everyone, it's Blake here from Winning Solutions Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you all how to use the Steps Recorder, which is a tool on Windows 10. This Steps Recorder tool would be perfect for you guys to use if you ever run across a bug or maybe an error in something that Winning Solutions Inc. has developed for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download one of our database template demos and I'm going to basically force an error, but I'm going to use the Steps Recorder to record it. So I'm going to go to our database templates. Scroll all the way down to the bottom here and I'm going to download a demo of one of our database templates, this issue tracking one. And like I said, this can be used for anything that WSI develops for you, whether it's a website or a database. For example, I'm going to use this database template. I'm going to open the file. And so what I'm going to do is let's say I've come across an error within the database template and now I want to be able to tell WSI. However, instead of just writing out an email explaining all the steps I took, this would be a much better way to record how you came across this bug or error. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to type in Steps Recorder. There we go, here it is, the Steps Recorder. And so now what I'm going to do is this little pop-up box shows up and I'm going to hit Start Record and it's going to show all the steps I take after hitting the Start Record button that I took in order to create this error. So if I hit Start Record, I'm going to go to Issues, and you can see this little red dot pops up when I click on it. Add New Issue. That's just showing what I've clicked on. So it's creating these steps. So now I'm going to create an issue without adding a title to it, and that's going to cause an error. Add some things. So now if I hit Save and New, there we go. We get this little error because I have not created a title. So if I hit OK, and now if I hit Stop Record, this shows up. And so this has recorded all the steps I've took since I hit Begin Record. And as you can see, I do have dual monitor screens. So if you have a single screen, it will only be one screen. But since I have dual monitors, it splits it into two. And so as you can see, it says Step 1, and it says exactly what I clicked on. User left-clicked on Issues button in Microsoft Access Issue Tracking Database Template. And it follows all the next steps that I took until I got to that error, or until I hit Stop Record. You can see it takes screenshots of all the steps I've taken. Right there, you can see user left click on Save and New and Issue Details, and user left click on OK button because that was when I received that error. So this would be perfect, like I said, to record all the steps that you took that caused a bug or an error instead of simply trying to write out all those or take individual screenshots of what you did in order to come across this error. This would be much easier to just do this, save the file, and email the file. And as you can see, it even has additional details, and it writes out a little text document basically of all the steps you took. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what to do now if you want to send this to a WSI representative. So if we hit save, it's going to save this automatically zipped, so it'll be easy to email it. And I'm just going to go error example, and so it's going to save it to my desktop. And so if I go to my desktop now, you'll be able to see it right here. This error example is right here. If I double click it, it should open it. There we go. So it is extracted, but now I'll easily be able to email it to a WSI representative. Now, if you do come across an error in a database template, a database that we've developed, or a website, simply send the steps via email to your WSI account representative, your WSI project manager, or a programmer that you have been working with through WSI. If you have never been assigned an account representative, programmer, or project manager, simply email information@microsoftaccessexpert.com. I'll repeat that. information@microsoftaccessexpert.com. Simply state, hey, I have run across an error within one of the database templates that I purchased from you, a database you've developed, or a website you've developed. Attach that file that you just made, and it will be able to help us know exactly what you did to run across that error. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you all for taking your time to watch this quick video made by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope it helps you all, and hopefully you never have to use this tool because you never run across a bug or an error. But if you do, please, we recommend that you use this program to record all the steps that you took to come across that bug or an error. Once again, thank you for watching and have a great day.